in the beautiful expectation of chemistry serving humanity for a better life. With a forward-thinking vision and innovative mindset, SHCCIG Yulin Chemical Company Limited is leading the coal chemical industry towards a new era of high-end, diversified, and low-carbon solutions. Despite facing challenges such as high energy consumption, environmental pressures, and digital transformation in traditional coal chemical industries, Yulin Chemical has partnered with SUPCON to create an intelligent plant architecture consisting of one industrial operating system, plus 2 automations, plus N apps. By utilizing data as its power source and AI as its intelligent brain, while prioritizing green development practices, Yulin Chemical has successfully created the world's largest coal chemical project, while outlining a new blueprint for future developments within this industry. Data fusion-driven. Data, akin to the lifeblood of intelligent plant, flows through every corner of the facility. The imperceptible data is transformed into visual wisdom, providing robust support for precise control within the plant. Leveraging supOS, Yulin Chemical has achieved organizational connectivity and standardization across multiple facets, including production, equipment, energy, raw materials, products, safety, environmental protection, and more. This has facilitated the establishment of an integrated intelligent plant system that encompasses system integration, business integration, data sharing, and intelligent decision-making capabilities. It formed service sharing, collaborative intelligence, integrated optimization, and secure, agile information service. AI makes production smarter. The extensive implementation of AI technology imbues every aspect of Yulin Chemical's production with intelligence. From pre-start process simulation to comprehensive equipment information management, inform intelligent early warning and prevention of safety risks to reshaping business processes, AI technology is omnipresent. Like an imperceptible intelligent assistant, AI consistently understands the requirements of production scenarios and revolutionizes operational procedures. Yulin Chemical has achieved a profound integration between data and equipment, unlocking significant potential for intelligence. Leveraging the supOS-based equipment management system, precise health diagnostics and risk prediction are conducted on over 20,000 units of equipment throughout the entire plant, establishing interconnectedness and unified interface for the equipment network. Leveraging the supOS equipment lifecycle database, achieve full traceability of equipment information throughout its lifecycle, enabling dynamic updates to replace static ledgers, ensuring all plant equipment, instruments, and electrical systems remain in optimal operating condition, leading to enhanced operational efficiency, safety, and intelligence in production. A new green era. As a leader in the world's super-large coal comprehensive utilization industrial cluster project, Yulin Chemical always adheres to the principle of green development while pursuing high-quality growth. It explores a feasible path for the green transformation of the coal chemical industry. Yulin Chemical fully integrates the principles of green development throughout its production and corporate lifestyle. Energy-saving optimization measures such as production scheduling, operational optimization, energy optimization, steam balance, and plant-wide optimization, key equipment status monitoring, and reliability inspection and maintenance management are implemented to achieve low consumption and emissions from process devices while minimizing environmental impact. Yulin Chemical has successfully integrated digital technology with green production concepts to achieve goals of energy conservation, emission reduction, and efficient operation throughout the production process. The construction of an intelligent plant by Yulin Chemical not only represents significant technological innovation, but also signifies a profound transformation journey for traditional industries. Amidst a wave of intelligence, sophistication, and eco-friendliness, SUPCON will continue working with partners to jointly create a new chapter in the coal chemical industry.